Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to write a case expression within a trigger body. So here my logic of this case expression is here. So to increase the salary, while increasing the salary, so I need to get the message. That is my logic. So if the salary more than 20% from the existing salary, then I got a message called significantly significantly salary increase. This is message. This is the message I want to get. Okay. So if it is not more than 20%, not more than 20%, then I want to get the message as salary increased. So third statement is if the salary decreased, then I got a message called salary decreased. Okay. So these are the messages. So if there is no change, if there is no change in the salary, then I got message as no change in salary. So I want to write case statement with this logic in the trigger body. So whenever we update the salary on any person ID, so as per the salary criteria, this message can be displayed and this case message can be saved in the audit table. So right now I don't have any audit table here. Now I need to create one audit table. First I need to create one audit table. Create. So table name is emp underscore audit. Create table. Emp underscore audit is my table name. So here audit ID. Audit ID is the integer with primary key. Identity seed and increment 1 comma 1. Okay, next, so I need to next column in the audit table is emp id integer. Okay, third column is audit message varchar 50 I am taking here. Last column is audit time, audit underscore time. So data type is date time. Okay, with these four columns, first I am creating one emp underscore audit table. So it has been created successfully. Now I use it to write my trigger. So create trigger trigger name. Trigger name is here trg underscore emp performance. This is my trigger name. Okay, on which table? On emp table. So what is the type of trigger? So here I am using both after insert and comma update as begin end. So in between I used to insert the records into this audit table. Okay, insert into emp underscore audit. You have to mention your column names other than audit ID. That means emp ID, comma, audit message, comma, audit time. select I dot empid. I means inserted. It's a magic table. I means inserted. So I dot empid, comma. Now I am writing my case statement. Case when I dot salary is greater than D dot salary. D means here deleted. So I will explain what is I and what is D later. D dot salary into 1.2. Then so I need to publish this message in audit message column. Okay. When again I am starting from when I dot salary is greater than D dot salary. That means it's a nominal increase. It doesn't make more than 20% as like this first case. So it is increased but not more than 20%. So in this scenario, you can publish the message as salary increased. So third one, when I dot salary is less than D dot salary, then salary decreased. And finally in the else statement, else no change, else no change in salary. In the this is my fourth condition, no change in salary, and as audit message. So in the audit message column, I just write my case statement. Okay. So next, so this is first one empid. So from I.empid audit message, in the audit message I am taking this case statement. Next, audit time. So what audit time here I am giving? I am giving the audit time as get date. So get date, you will get both date along with time. Okay. From inserted this is magic table. Okay, this table has been created while writing trigger, while writing before insert or after insert. So here I am joining inner join. I am applying inner join with deleted. Deleted. This is also one more magic table. So here I am giving D as the alias name. Okay. So in the on class, so here I am comparing I.empid with D.empid and finally end. So this is the trigger body. So I am going to insert these values into employee audit. From I am selecting these values from I.empid as empid. So this message, instead of giving the message directly, so I use it to apply case statement here as per the logic. The salary increase greater than 1.2, then significantly salary increased. Okay. If the salary just increased, then I mentioned salary increased. If the salary is reduced, then I mentioned salary decreased. So if there is no change in the salary, then I am taking no change in the salary. So these values, these messages getting populated as per the updating the salary value in the audit message in EMP audit table. And audit time take get date. Get date means it will take date along with time. So this is how you need to create the trigger. Okay, so command successfully and go and check your trigger. So where you have to find your triggers? You have to find your triggers in your respective table. So here what is the table? EMP table. In the test database, go to EMP table, expand this one EMP table and expand this triggers. So here you find TRG EMP performance, TRG EMP performance. Now, so we need to update. We need to update the salary column in the employee table. So I'm taking one more window. So here, so I want to update the salary for employee ID 4 from 52,000 to 72,000. So 52,000 to 72,000. Update EMP set salary equal to new value 72,000. Where what is the condition? EMP ID equal to 4. Okay. See here. Two rows are affected. So one row is affected on the employee table. See 72,000. So earlier it is 52,000. Now it is increased to 72,000. Second row you can see in audit table. Audit table with given message. See, significantly salary increase for employee ID 4. Okay. Now I will check one more. I want to make this salary as it is. No change. Okay. I want to make it as 65,000 for employee ID 1. That means we have a condition that trigger. In the else part you can see when there is no change, it will apply message as no change in the salary in the audit messages. And check your audit table. So here you can see for employee ID 1 there is no change in the salary. So I will see one decrease in the salary. So here for second ID I want to decrease the salary from 60 to 55,000. Right now it is 60,000. I want to decrease the salary for employee ID 2. So there are two rows are affected. And first check your table 55,000 and check your audit table salary decrease. So you need to write as per your logic in the case statement. This is how you need to write a case statement. So here I want to write a case statement based on the salary increase. So that what will happen? That message, that audit message will stored in the your audit table. So whenever you update any value, salary value in the employee table, this trigger has been fired, and accordingly as per the logic, the message has been stored in the table. So this is audit time. That means it is the get date. So which means it will take today's date along with time. So this is how you need to create a trigger and write your case statement within your trigger body. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.